We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
You can learn a lot about the character and traditional lifestyle of Hakka women from their mountain songs. Sangge, because Hakka women labored in the fields with their men, they too sang as they worked. They sang about their loves and lives, expressing their joys and sorrows, frustrations and ambitions through song. Romance was a popular theme, and Hakka women were not shy about revealing their feelings. Their responses to expressions of love and affection by suitors and lovers were sung as gifts, laden with feeling. Giving a gold hairpin, Song Jingchai, details 10 presents from a rich lover. The pain of separation was also commonly sung about in areas of China, where Hakka men traveled overseas in search of a better living. There are heart-wrenching songs about wives watching their husbands leave and others praying for rain to delay departure so that husband and wife can spend another night together. The hardship of raising children during times of high infant mortality and poverty were also sung about. In these songs, we find Hakka women who are caring, beautiful, and gentle, and those who are also hardworking, able, and independent. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Well, you know, people have been asking me. 其实有些朋友啊，他们从来没有因为老外啦，没有吃过客家小炒，所以我想说今天来介绍里面的材料。
材料
The ingredients inside a Hakka stir fried, and hopefully this will get everybody wanting to go to a restaurant and have one right now. I think there are 4 major ingredients. The first one is shredded pork, 也就是猪肉丝，肉丝，
肉絲，
肉絲哦，就是炒牛肉的肉絲，
肉絲。
肉絲啊，that's shredded pork。有豆腐干，豆干啊哈。
挑夫干，
挑夫干。That's bean curds. All right, so see, those are tasty stuff in Chinese food. Taiwanese celery, 有所谓的这个芹菜。
芹菜。
Okay, and even though it's called Taiwanese celery, it's just like celery. And finally, there's squid inside this. 这都拍的没？这个好难。
教过啦，鱼嘛，很像那个鱼就鱿鱼就是
这听起来好像有鱼来了。This is 鱿鱼. That's squid. So that's your 4 major ingredients inside a Hakka stir fried. And now hopefully you won't be afraid to eat it because it's really, really tasty. I recommend it. And thank you for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.